Hello, this is Frida. We're in Cumalıkızık, little village,
Oranın sıcağı var ya hiç bunaltmıyor. Hiç.
where it's just below Uludağ. It's a mountain.
Bilmem ne.
You can see the mountain. It's like Rocky Mountains. And you can see Bursa below. It's a big city, one of the oldest city in Turkey. Here we just entered the village and people are walking, so we're just gonna follow. These are all natural meat. Kind of is like not blueberry, but one of the.
Ablacığım sıcak sıcak ekşi merke ekmeğiniz abla yeni çıktı buyurun.
Yaban mersini. I never heard of that, so that's new to me. Here are some jams.
Buyurun.
This is called milk jam. I never tried that in my life. This is the first time I'm coming to this town. I never been.
Abla.
The guy.
Ekmekleri var buyurun.
The guy
Doğal
just
ürünlerimiz
gave me a
var.
taste.
Karadut suları var buyurun.
And my mouth is like, wow. I tried this. She said it's very good for flu, coughing, anything, stomach problems. So I want to buy that. And then I tried the milk jam, which I never tried in my life. It's pretty sweet. So we'll do some shopping. So we just entered Cumalıkızık and we're going up. As you can see, all the cars or the vehicles are going up. I don't have a clue what's up there. And the mountain, it's lovely. There's still snow on top. Here's some fruits. And there's some stuff there, ice cream. Turkish, most famous Kahramanmaraş dondurması. Here's a little shop. Just gonna go and visit that shop. It's all handmade.
Hoş geldiniz.
Hoş geldiniz. Biz de sizi bekliyorduk.
This is a bat
Kahve alacaktınız ama.
for kids. It's gorgeous. Pom-poms. There's some handmade bags they sewed on the machine. These are all handmade from people that live here. And here's a little doggy. Well, I think it's an old doggy, yeah. The dog is pretty old. Okay, I'll just shut it down. Ooh. Okay, here is the center of the town. Can't believe how crowded this place is. Here's all the goodies that are sold handmade. Headbands, bats for kids. Headbands, bracelets. Here are the most popular shawls that were out in 2000, I believe. I crocheted so many of them. I still have a couple. These were very popular then. I think I did not make a tutorial on how to crochet this, but it's very easy. It's made out of squares. Here's some shawls. Lots of shawls here. Here are some handmade hats. Let me go in there and check it out. people. I can't believe it. Wow. The more further we go, the more crowded it becomes. These hats are pretty interested. They're crochet. Siz mi yaptınız? Elinize sağlık. Çok güzel. Kaça satıyorsunuz tanesini? 20 lira. 20 lira. Ben reklam yapıyorum. Amerika kıtasına. Gelsin turistler. She just said that she crocheted those and she's selling them. And here's some needle pointed. Oh. These are scarves, shawls that you can put over your neck. Here are some. Bu ne kadar? Isn't this lovely? I want to make a tutorial on this one. I made another one. If you check my tutorials, it's the flower pin, flower rose that I make. It's made in a flower rose, and then you crochet the edges. And there's a black one, nice. And then she made variegated, nice. Çok güzel. Bak şalvarlarım var. Her booties and baby booty slippers.
Bir yere takıntı oldu.
Here are her baby knits. Here are some more baby boots and another boot. Some herbs.
Kızılcık var mı? Kızılcık ezmesi.
Kızılcık ezmesi mi?
Ezmesi.
Here are made some soup ingredients. Tomato with yogurt, and they dry it. Here are more handmade knit dresses, vests, everything you can imagine. This is a little antique, old, this, I don't know, 700. So this building was 700 years old, it says. And they made a cafe upstairs, smoking area and non-smoking area. As you can see the smoke coming up the boys' vests. I'm all over the place. I do apologize. It's so crazy here. I came here, but I didn't imagine it would be like this. Everything is handmade. Here are some baby booties, dolls, crocheted dolls, necklaces. Wow. Here's another, it's a 700-year-old hand knits. These are made out of felt. Oh my goodness, aren't these beautiful? It's dark in here. I'm under the booth. There's more bags there. Oh my goodness. Ne kadar bu çantalar?
25 lira. Bir tanesi vardı.
Oh my goodness.
Kazancım diyor.
Here are more handbags. There's another cafe. You see these antique historical houses that are over 700 years old. Here's another one. Again, these people that live here are, I believe they're out here every single day trying to make an income. Oh, this is lovely. Here's shawls. Teyze, dikkat. These ladies who live here makes these noodles. out of scratch. They make their own bread. Here are some figs, and then they're selling the jam, fig jam. Things I have never seen. Here are some felted handmade bags. They're gorgeous. I asked the lady if she made it. She said she buys it from another local lady that makes them. They're gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Harika. Okay, here's a shawl that I made a tutorial on how to crochet this. It's similar to the one that I made. If you want to check the tutorial, you can check my videos and find this tutorial that I made. It's lovely. It's made out of Turkish tiftik mohair goat yarn, and it's not itchy at all. It's pretty soft. Here, I wanted to show you these historical houses. Look. Oh my goodness. They keep on fixing them so they won't fall apart. See the handmade shawl thing. Gorgeous. The more upper we go, the more you can see the historical buildings. She's asking to come and inviting people to have breakfast. It's not that early though. Here are, I thought about this. See, give you an idea on do the crochet edge and then make a motif. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Elinize sağlık.
Ben yapıyorum.
There's a guy doing a show for ice cream. Kahramanmaraş ice cream.
How much?
3 Okay, just wanted to show you how the road is. Walk to the restaurant. They're giving breakfast. Okay, I got the permission. The lady asked me that I can tape it. Just want to be cautious. This is the entry of her home. Tığ işlerini siz mi yapıyorsunuz?
Zeytinyağı satıyor musun?
Zeytinyağı var. Çok güzel zeytinyağı yemeyiz. Abi ne yapıyorsun? İyiyim, sen ne yapıyorsun? Bakışım abi.
I want to show you. This is one of the historical. It's been restored. I have fixed it so the walls won't fall on me. Okay, the further I go, I'll tape it. Okay, we're just ending. And here's another road that goes north and south. Here's our more handmade shawls. Okay, here's another area. And you can see the mountain.
Hoş geldiniz ablam. Buyurun.
Hoş bulduk.
Gençler buyurun hoş geldiniz.
Okay, here are more huge buildings. Huge. Wow, that one's pretty old. And the road that we're walking on As you can see how old the roads are. Okay, I just wanted to say this road keeps on going and it goes by two-way. So I'm just gonna end, the video is gonna end by itself.
Abla,
Just to show you the road. If it ends, just wanted to say thank you very, very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. Look at these lovely historical places. Again, it's called Cumalıkızık. Lovely, lovely views. Oh, that's, I think they just restored that. They fixed the house on the corner, the blue. The windows haven't been, has tags on them. The stove is burning. Here are some crocheted dolls.